Missing someone, is as normal. Missing someone, and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
What's up, guys? Oh, damn, you ruined my intro. But I'm gonna still keep going. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So Patrick hit me up about 30 minutes ago saying, oh, fancy, that you want to take some pictures. So we brought the camera. We have this camera. So let's take some pictures. So where are we at? I don't even know what lake we're at. Oh, there's a sign out here. Yeah, what lake is this? Anyways, Madera's like somewhere in here. We drove like 20 minutes to get here. It wasn't too bad. And then there's like a really nice lake over there. I'm pretty when we first got into this little like lake area place, it said to stay on the pavement road. But there's a road leading to the lake that Patrick wants to go, and Alex is too, to take pictures over there. But it says dead end like somewhere over there, and it just kind of goes through. And I know there's probably like some cool pictures we can take out there, but I don't know. I kind of don't want to go over there. But hey, we gotta risk it. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna take some pictures right now because the cars can be lined up somewhere around here, and then like it faces the lake, so I'm pretty sure I'll get like a good picture out of that.
It's beautiful.
What is, Patrick?
The scenery, bro. Look, my car's gonna look hella gangster, right? It's not fucking squirrel.
Daddy, chill.
He's trying to chase it, and then you leave me on, and the car just rolls.
No, bro. I'm like, is that a squirrel?
I don't know, bro. If I had my car, I wouldn't be taking it on this road. It's like hella bunch of little small and sharp rocks.
Look at Alex back there, though.
Oh yeah, he gone for sure. Nice, so you can go. Keep going. Back it up. Back it up. Oh.
Stop right there, dude.
Patrick thinks he's a professional photographer.
Hey,
you need to get lower.
Huh?
You need to get lower.
Hold on.
That later.
What was it? Those are your what lights?
LCI lights?
There's only one in there.
Nah, I got one.
But your side markers that you're missing right now? Is it even gonna fit, or is this for the other side? This is the other side, I think.
Just for this side right here. You sure he's gonna fit?
I don't know how you're gonna make these fit, but okay.
Boom! How scrapes his car. He's gonna wrap his car gray.
I'm not sure.
My car's gonna be white.
Oh, my car is white? But I'm gonna wrap it white.
Yeah.
It's gonna look so better. Oh shit, I'm scraping the fuck out of my car.
Yep.
You realized? Having trouble putting a side marker on?
Oh, he did it. I'll turn them on, Alex.
What the fuck, stop doing?
Not bad, actually. I like them. Honestly, you should have painted them black.
I know, I'm gonna do that. Better.
Not bad. Alright, now let's see them on, Alex. Does the car need to be on?
Just put the hazards.
Those aren't fucking hazards, right?
Put the hazards.
Yeah, they're not the brightest, but they still look better than the old ones.
I am sad and so down.
And there you go. Pretty much everything's on. Now I just need to put the coil or the cowl. Hopefully that doesn't get in the way. Fuck, it might get in the way.
I am sad and so down.
6 hours later.
Alright boys, so that was a cute little photo shoot that we had with these guys. It's not the same night. I'm literally wearing the same thing, by the way. Alex is wearing the same thing. Patrick's wearing the same thing. We're all wearing the same thing. But there's... No, it's because I'm going to be rocking the same outfit I was rocking a couple days ago and went to go take a photo shoot. Because it's going to be part 2. But Axel's here fixing my intercooler because...
Could you always be breaking shit?
That should be... Did you fix it? So it's hanging out from the side. Dude, my car's hella dirty. I'm gonna go cruising like this.
Don't worry. They just need to see your. They just need to see your rear bumper, bro. They're
Are you
never
a
gonna
cop,
see the
bro?
front. Yeah.
Oh,
FBI. Sir, how old is she?
what the Alright, anyway, so we're headed down to Blackstone. Hugo hit me up. He's like, hey, you down to cruise? I'm like, hey, fuck it.
So we got the GLI. We got the other Beamer right here. We got the what?
I dare you do drop top.
Huh?
I dare you do drop top all the way to Blackstone.
Fuck that.
I'm gonna freeze my draws off, but okay, I'm down.
We have the M54. We have the N54 right here.
Patrick just naming shit he found on Google.
I did.
Anyways, we're gonna get this fixed real quick. We're gonna head to Blackstone and we're gonna meet up with Hugo at
Easy.
I think he said somewhere in Donuts. Crispy Donuts? I forgot what it's called. Krispy Kreme. There we go.
Crispy Donuts.
Patrick can't park. Dang, Patrick can't park for shit.
Damn, Patrick, is that a turbo here, bro? Is that a turbo, bro? What's up, Hugo?
What's up, bro?
Did you hear his turbo though, or what?
Yeah. We got a turbo in here. Yes.
It's food. Damn, what'd you blow?
I don't know what I blew up.
That's clean though. Hey, honestly, you should have picked one.
I know, I should have got one.
What, this Beamer?
Yeah, this shit looks clean as fuck.
What year is this?
Damn.
5.0?
Nah, but with
You can take it right out.
Yeah, I'll take it. Alex can take it, right? I can take it.
You can take it, Patrick?
Oh, yeah.
I can take care of it.
You need a guy from Patrick.
Okay, bro, let me go cool off my turbo real quick.
This is my cousin.
What's up, bro?
Marco. All the homies.
Axel. Alex is Marco.
What's up, Brian? Damn, Hugo, how many cousins you got?
100.
FBI.
To wrap that car.
That shit looks hella ugly. I said we need to wrap that shit.
Want to do a pull out real quick?
So what? Dog.
I like the color.
No, like I like his car and shit, but like literally nobody. Do you see the Mustangs?
Yeah.
They literally nobody wanted it. I just burbled
I know you were
another.
all up on their asses. They're like, nah, bro. Cool.
This sounds clean. That fool was going full throttle! Alright boys, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna bring in the car. We definitely need to wash it though. I was kind of embarrassed bringing it out like that, but thank you guys for watching another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought it was gonna be a little more crazier. None of the Mustangs wanted to pull on me. The G35 though, nice. Alright boys, the car is in. I look super dead. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.